Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open a crypto.com account. Start by downloading the crypto.com app and tap Create Account, then enter your email and a strong password. Next, enable 2FA with your phone for extra protection and follow the on-screen KYC steps to upload your ID and selfie. Finish by linking a payment method like a bank card or transfer to fund your account and start trading securely. After registering, focus on verification to avoid holds on your account. Take clear photos of your ID and a well-lit selfie and submit them promptly. Make sure the name on your ID matches your bank or card details to prevent mismatched verification issues. If you encounter problems, check the app notifications for specific requests and respond quickly to complete KYC so you can deposit funds and begin using crypto.com features without delays. Once verified, add a payment method to fund your account safely. Link a bank account or card for convenient deposits and be mindful of fees and processing times. Enable security features like biometric login, 2FA, and a withdrawal whitelist to protect your funds. Try a small initial deposit to confirm transfer settings and limits, then explore buying crypto or using interest and staking features to make the most of your new crypto.com account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.